We will be showing you how to use Google Scholar optimally to find information for your research assignment. Please take note of the URL that you need to access Google Scholar. Right, let's start. First up is the menu on the top left. That's the three horizontal bars. Use the Settings link to optimize your result list in such a way that you can view documents that Stellenbosch University subscribe to. And then select Library Links. If you don't see the options to Stellenbosch University or the Open World Catalogue, type South Africa in the search box and then click on the magnifying glass. Now you can see Stellenbosch University and also the Open World Catalogue. Select both and then click on Save for future reference. Let's go back to our menu and select Advanced Search. First up, I will enter the phrase state capture, where it's indicated on Google Scholar with the exact phrase. Google Scholar will therefore look for documents that match my words in the exact order that I typed it in. I also need, obviously, the Guptas as well as the auditing company KPMG. I therefore add my keywords where the Google Scholar option indicates with all these words. Google Scholar will therefore also locate documents that has both the Gupta and the KPMG keywords included. Finally, my results page. Let's check out the layout. Starting on the right hand side, you will spot links to full text at Stellenbosch, and that is why we selected the settings option and changed the library links to indicate Stellenbosch University as well as the open access resources indicated just above full text at Stellenbosch. Now these are the documents that Stellenbosch University subscribe to, so you can select either of the links and you will be able to view the full text of the document. Word of warning, if you don't see any links, then you might not be able to view the full text of the document. Let's try one. Unfortunately, as you can see here on the result page of this document, because Stellenbosch University does not subscribe to the document, you have to pay to view. Right, let's go back to a document that Stellenbosch University subscribed to. We click on the full text at Stellenbosch link to open up the document. We need to find the PDF link so that we can view the full text of the document and focus on the key areas that relates to your search and also your assignment topic. Let's try something else. Say for instance my assignment is structured in such a way that I want to focus on the potential involvement of only the Guptas in state capture, not the auditing company KPMG. How can I adapt my original search to reflect my new search? Let's go back to the advanced search and we're going to remove KPMG from all words to without the words and click on search. See, I now have a different result list. Let's look at this list because not all the articles are South African related, and you'll notice that Gupta has now been picked up as an author. Remember, I do need South African related articles and I need the Gupta family as a subject or a topic, not as an author. Let's change my search strategy again. How? Well, let's go back to the advanced search. Let's add South Africa with quotation marks. This is similar to the Google search phrase search. Let's only focus on the last few years when state capturing has become a hot topic. Right, I have a new result list and you'll notice on the right hand side I have my full texted Stellenbosch links as well as my open access links, except for the first entry, Exploring State Capture in South Africa, the Republic of Gupta, a story of state capture. Now, remember what we mentioned earlier regarding documents without links? Let's give it another go. See, this time it opens without you having to pay to view. Right, let's try something completely different. I have another topic. the South African budget speech and its influence on tax, specifically value-added tax. Let's do another advanced search. I'm entering all my keywords in the top line on Google Scholar. This indicates to Google Scholar that it should find documents with all my keywords. I can also use the connector AND to signal different concepts to Google Scholar. AND is sometimes referred to as a Boolean operator. Not is another Boolean operator that we would exclude certain words, for example KPMG in our first example. Right, back to my result list. Let's use only 2018 because I'm interested in the most recent budget speech. As in our other result lists, always use the full text Stellenbosch links, or if you're feeling lucky, try the titles of the other documents. And there you have your article. Well, hopefully this video will prevent you from experiencing any nasty surprises during your research. Now in this presentation we have learned to use certain commands in Google Scholar to focus our research. For instance, AND commands Google Scholar to locate documents that includes all our keywords. NOT commands Google Scholar to locate documents excluding certain keywords. And OR that commands Google Scholar to include any of the keywords specified in our search.